Hello, Tracy here, and I'm going to share with you today this adorable little mini album that I made for my younger daughter who just graduated from grade 9 and is going into high school next year. The structure of this album was made with this Biggs XL die from Lori Whitlock, and it creates basically the outside of the album as well as the pages. It cuts all of these sizes. You need two of these, one each of these, and then however many pages. I think you need 4 or maybe 5. So in order to cut with this, you do need the Biggs XL extended cutting mats in order to run this through your Big Shot machine or whatever die cutting machine you might have. So I used brads and string here for my closure, and I just used a set of thickers for my title, and I wanted the title to be pretty plain and just kind of typographic, so grade 9 grad. On the back side, I just put this sticker, and all of the stickers, or most of the stickers and patterned paper, all of the pattern paper from this project came from Alison Kreft from a very old collection called Capture Memories, and I think there was also some in there from Life is Beautiful as well. And so if you would like to see how this came together, you can check out my process video for it, which I will link in the information section, and I'll also put a card right there for you. So I believe these are Stampin' Up brads, and so we'll just go through. So this is the first page. This is just a photo of my daughter is in the middle here, and that's her date, and then these are her other 2 friends. They're all very, very, very good friends. So I just put, this is just a sticker from the Alison Kreft collection. This is another sticker, and then this is a Tim Holtz Small Talk sticker. And here's what's inside of the first pocket. So we have 2 group photos here of the folks who were in our photo shoot. So they're all very, very good friends with one another. And then there's this one as well. I just attached a little tag with a little bit of ribbon. And then on the back side, I just did some stamping, and I used my Ellie Studio stamp set here for the lines. So I just used that stamp right there from this Ellie Studio. It's called Noted Volume 2 stamp set for the lines. And then I used various Allie Edwards stamp sets for the statements, for the titles and phrases on the backs. I stamped it with Stampin' Up ink. This is Crumb Cake, that's the orange, I think it's Pumpkin Pie, and this is Balmy Blue. The second page just shows the folks going off down the path into the woods. We have a sticker here from Alison Kreft that just says Memories. And then in this pocket, we have Sophie just with her date. So this is Ty, her partner. And we turn this around. It says togetherness equals happiness, and you're my person, and some lines there for Sophie to do some journaling. Then we have Sophie with her grandmother, and it's just more of these Alison Kreft stickers. Then in this one, instead of putting these photos on 2 different tags, this is her with Liv, and then this is all 4 of us together in our family. And so I didn't leave room for journaling here because this album was getting really, really jam-packed, and I wanted to save some space by not putting separate tags there. Then here's a photo of them all in the van on their way to go from the photo shoot to the prom, although they did make a pit stop at McDonald's first. Then this is a photo of her with her aunt. It says, "Thank you for being a friend" on the back. And then this is a photo of her with her very long-term friend from grade primary. And they're very, very good friends, but they're the kind of friends that sometimes they don't spend a whole lot of time together, but it doesn't change their friendship. And they really like, she really likes Friends, and the 2 of them, they watch Friends together a lot. So I took out my Friends stamp set and stamped the couch and You're My Lobster. And then the last one is Sophie and Ty at the dance. And so I just put this moi sticker here because she's getting a kiss from them. And then we have a whole bunch of just phrase stickers here. I love the look on Sophie's face. And then this is just a photo of Sophie on her own, and flip it over and it says life lessons. And so she can do a bit of journaling there if she'd like. So that's my little mini album. I hope that you liked it. As you can see, it's really, really jam full. Like I have to really squeeze it to get it to close. And that's part of the reason why I made the closure that I made, is because this is like, I thought that if I tried to glue on a Velcro dot or something like that, I just felt like the pressure from the album would just pull it undone all the time. So I made it this kind of a closure because I thought that that was probably the most secure closure I could think of. So thanks so much for watching. If you would like to see how this came together, just check out the process video for it. I haven't edited it yet, so I'm not sure whether it'll be a single video or if it'll be a series, but whatever it is, I will link it in the information section below. So thanks so much for watching and have a really great scrappy week.